Welcome to our English lesson today. We will practice our listening and speaking skills and also learn some interesting vocabulary and expressions. Learning English can be both fun and practical, especially when you dive into real-life situations. In this video, we've put together a series of everyday conversations that will help you improve your English speaking and listening skills. We'll take you through common scenarios like at the grocery store, at the travel agency, checking into a hotel, visiting a pharmacy, enjoying a day at the park, exploring a museum, and much more. Each conversation is designed to be engaging, informative, and easy to follow, perfect for beginners. So, grab a notebook, sit back, and get ready to enhance your English skills with us. Let's get started. Conversation at the grocery store.
Excuse me, can you help me find the pasta aisle?
Sure, it's in aisle 5, next to the canned goods.
Thanks, I'm making spaghetti tonight. Do you have any sauce recommendations?
I recommend the marinara sauce. It's delicious and not too expensive.
Great, I'll try that. Do you know if they have any fresh basil here?
Yes, the fresh herbs are in the produce section near the lettuce and spinach.
Perfect, thanks for your help. I'm new to cooking and this store is huge.
No problem, we've all been there. Anything else you need help finding?
Yes, where can I find good quality ground beef?
The meat section is at the back of the store. Look for the 80 to 20 lean to fat ratio.
And what about Parmesan cheese? Is there a specific brand you'd recommend?
Look for Parmigiano Reggiano. It's a bit pricier, but the flavor is worth it.
Noted. Where are the checkout counters?
They're at the front of the store. The self-checkout is on the left if you prefer that.
Thanks so much for all your help. You've made my shopping trip much easier.
You're welcome. Good luck with your spaghetti. I'm sure it'll turn out great.
I hope so. Maybe I'll see you around here again sometime.
Absolutely. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Enjoy your cooking adventure.
At the travel agency. Hi, I'm looking to book a vacation. Can you help me with that?
Of course. Do you have a destination in mind?
I'm thinking about visiting Italy. I've always wanted to see Rome and Venice.
Great choices. How long are you planning to stay?
I'm planning a 2-week trip.
Fantastic. We can set up an itinerary that includes Rome, Florence, and Venice. Would you prefer guided tours or exploring on your own?
I'd like a mix of both, guided tours for the main attractions and some free time to explore.
Perfect. Let's start with flights. Are you flexible with your departure dates?
Yes, as long as it's within the next month.
I found a few options. There's a flight on the 10th with a layover in Paris, or one on the 12th that's direct.
I'd prefer the direct flight on the 12th.
Great! Now for accommodations, do you have any preferences?
I'd like to stay in centrally located hotels, preferably with good reviews.
I found some highly rated hotels in each city. Would you like to book them with breakfast included?
Yes, that would be ideal.
Excellent. I've noted down the flights and hotels. Would you like any additional services, such as airport transfers or travel insurance?
Yes, I'd like airport transfers. And what does travel insurance cover?
It covers trip cancellations, medical emergencies, lost luggage, and other unforeseen events.
Okay, let's add that as well. What about car rentals?
Renting a car in Rome and Florence is convenient, but Venice is best explored on foot and by boat.
That makes sense. Let's go ahead with the car rental for Rome and Florence.
Everything is set. I'll email you the itinerary and booking confirmations. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip to Italy.
Thanks, I'm really looking forward to it.
If you have any questions or need to make changes, feel free to contact us anytime.
Will do. Have a great day.
You too, Alex. Safe travels.
At a clothing store. Excuse me, can you help me find the men's section?
Of course, it's just upstairs on the second floor.
Thanks, I'm looking for a new suit for a wedding. Do you have any good selections?
Yes, we have a great range of suits. Are you thinking of any particular color or style?
Maybe something in navy or charcoal.
Both are excellent choices. What's your size?
I usually wear a 42 regular. Do you have that in stock?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Would you like to try on a few different styles?
That would be great. Do you also have dress shirts and ties?
Absolutely. They're in the same section. We can coordinate the whole outfit for you.
Perfect. One more thing, do you offer alterations if needed?
Yes, we have an in-house tailor. Any alterations can usually be done within a week.
That's convenient. How much do alterations typically cost?
It depends on what's needed, but simple hemming starts at $15.
Understood. Well, I'd love to try on a few suits then.
Great. Follow me to the fitting rooms.
Thanks, I appreciate your help.
My pleasure. We'll make sure you look great for the wedding.
At the doctor's office. Hi, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith.
Sure, can I have your name, please?
It's Alex Johnson.
Thank you, Alex. Please take a seat, and the doctor will be with you shortly.
Thank you.
Hi, Alex. What brings you in today?
I've been having a sore throat and a bit of a fever.
Let me take a look. Say, ah.
Uh,
It looks like you have a mild throat infection. I'll prescribe you some antibiotics.
how long should I take them?
Take them for 7 days. Make sure to complete the course even if you feel better.
Will do. Anything else I should do?
Drink plenty of fluids and get some rest. If it doesn't improve in a few days, come back to see me.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care.
One more thing. Is there anything specific I should avoid eating or drinking?
Avoid cold drinks and dairy products as they can irritate your throat. Stick to warm teas and soups.
Got it. I'll follow your advice. Thanks again.
Feel better soon, Alex.
At a restaurant. Hi, I'd like a table for 2, please.
Sure, right this way. Here are your menus.
Thank you. Can we start with some water, please?
Absolutely. Your server will be with you shortly.
Hi, I'm your server today. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken Alfredo, and my friend will have the Caesar salad.
Great choices. Would you like anything to drink?
Just water for now, thank you.
All right, your food will be out shortly. Here are your meals. Enjoy.
This looks delicious, thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Excuse me, can we get the check, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right over.
Thank you. The service here was excellent. We'll definitely come back.
I agree. The food was amazing too.
Thank you. We look forward to seeing you again. You too have a great evening.
At the bank. Hi, I'd like to open a new checking account.
Of course. Do you have an ID and proof of address with you?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. I'll just need you to fill out this form.
No problem. How long will it take to set up?
It should take about 15 minutes. Do you need a debit card as well?
Yes, please.
We can issue a temporary card today, and your permanent one will arrive in 7 to 10 days.
That sounds perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Just let me know if you have any questions.
Here's the completed form. What's the minimum balance requirement?
There's no minimum balance required for this account. However, maintaining a balance of at least $500 will waive the monthly service fee.
That's good to know. And what's the daily ATM withdrawal limit?
The daily ATM withdrawal limit is $500, but you can request an increase if needed.
All right, that should be fine. What about online banking?
You can set up online banking once your account is activated. It's easy to manage your account and pay bills online.
Great, I'll definitely set that up. Anything else I should know?
You'll receive your account number and routing number in your welcome packet. Keep them safe for future reference.
Will do. Thanks again for all your help.
My pleasure, Alex. Welcome to our bank.
Thanks. Have a great day. At the gym. Hi, I'd like to sign up for a gym membership.
Sure, we have a few options. Are you looking for a monthly or annual membership?
I think I'll start with a monthly membership.
Great, that's $50 a month. We also have personal trainers if you're interested.
I might look into that later. For now, just the membership.
All right, if you could fill out this form, I'll get your membership set up.
Thanks. Do you have any classes for beginners?
Yes, we have yoga and strength training classes for beginners. You can check the schedule online.
Perfect. Thanks for the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your workout.
Hi, I'm done with my workout. It was great. Do you have any recommendations for post-workout nutrition?
Yes, it's important to refuel with protein and carbohydrates. A protein shake or a balanced meal with lean protein, vegetables, and whole grains is ideal.
Thanks for the tip. I'll keep that in mind.
No problem. How was your first session?
It was challenging but rewarding. I think I'll sign up for a personal training session next week.
That's a great idea. Our trainers can help you create a personalized workout plan.
Sounds perfect. Thanks for your help today.
Anytime. See you soon, Alex.
At the library. Hi, I'm looking for a book on gardening. Can you help me find it?
Of course. The gardening books are in the non-fiction section, aisle 3.
Thanks. Also, how do I sign up for a library card?
You can sign up at the front desk. Do you have an ID with you?
Yes, I do.
Great. It'll only take a few minutes. You can check out up to 10 books at a time.
That's good to know. Thank you. Hi again. I'd like to sign up for a library card.
Sure, I just need to see your ID and proof of address.
Here they are.
Thank you. I'll just enter your details. All set. Here's your new library card.
Great. Can I check out this book on gardening?
Yes, you can. Just bring it to the desk and I'll check it out for you.
Thanks. How long can I keep the book?
The borrowing period is 3 weeks. You can renew it online if you need more time.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your book.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too, Alex.
At a hotel.
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Alex Johnson.
Welcome, Alex. Let me check. Yes, I have your reservation. You've booked a king-sized room for 3 nights, is that correct?
That's right.
Great. I'll just need your ID and a credit card for incidentals. Would you like help with your luggage? Here they are.
No, I can manage. Thanks. Is there a gym in the hotel?
Thank you. Gym is on the 2nd floor and open 24/7. Your room is on the 5th floor. Here are your room keys. Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining area. There's also a pool on the rooftop with a great view of the city.
That sounds wonderful. Can I get a wake-up call for 7 a.m.?
Absolutely, I've noted that down. If you need anything else, please feel free to contact the front desk.
One last thing. Do you have any recommendations for good restaurants nearby?
Sure, there's an Italian restaurant called Bella Italia just 2 blocks away. It's very popular. There's also a nice seafood place called Ocean's Delight.
Thank you for the suggestions. I'll check them out.
Thanks. Have a great day. Enjoy your stay, Alex. At a pharmacy. Hi, I need to pick up a prescription for Alex Johnson.
Sure. Let me check. Here it is. It's a course of antibiotics. Have you taken these before?
No, this is my first time.
Okay, you should take 1 pill every 8 hours for 7 days. Make sure to complete the full course even if you start feeling better.
Got it. Are there any side effects I should be aware of?
Some common side effects include nausea and diarrhea. If you experience any severe reactions, contact your doctor immediately.
Understood. Do I need to avoid any foods or drinks?
Yes, avoid alcohol while taking this medication, and take it with food to reduce stomach upset.
Thanks for the information. Do you have any over-the-counter remedies for a sore throat?
Yes, we have lozenges and throat sprays. I recommend the honey and lemon lozenges for relief.
I'll take a pack of those. Also, do you have any vitamins?
We do. Our vitamins are on aisle 4. You can find multivitamins, vitamin C, and others there.
Great, I'll have a look. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day and feel better soon.
Thanks, I will. At a park. Hi there, is this your first time visiting this park?
Hi. Yes, it is. It's such a beautiful place.
It really is. I come here often to jog and relax. Have you explored the whole park yet?
Not yet. I've just seen the lake and the flower garden. What else is there to see?
There's a great playground for kids, a small zoo with some interesting animals, and a nice hiking trail that leads to a lookout point with a fantastic view.
That sounds amazing. I'll definitely check out the hiking trail. How long is it?
It's about a 2-mile loop. It's not too challenging, but the view at the top is worth it.
I'm looking forward to it. Do you know if there are any good spots for a picnic?
Yes, there are several picnic areas with tables and benches. The one near the Rose Garden is particularly nice and quiet.
Thanks for the tip. I think I'll have lunch there. Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every weekend. It's a great place to unwind after a busy week.
I can see why. Well, thanks for the information. Maybe I'll see you around.
Sure thing. Enjoy your visit.
Thanks. Have a great day.
At a museum. Hi, I'd like 2 tickets for the art exhibition.
Certainly. The exhibition is on the 2nd floor. Here are your tickets. Do you need a guide or an audio tour?
We'll take the audio tour, please.
Sure, here are the audio devices. Press play to start the tour. The exhibition covers modern art from the 20th century to the present.
Sounds exciting. Are there any special pieces we shouldn't miss?
Yes, make sure to see the Picasso and Warhol sections. They're highlights of the exhibition.
Thank you. Do you have any guided tours?
Yes, there's a guided tour starting at 1 p.m. It's very informative and provides a lot of interesting background on the artists.
We'll definitely join that. Thanks for the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy the exhibition.
Welcome to the guided tour. We'll begin with the works of Pablo Picasso. His Blue Period paintings are particularly striking. Follow me.
Picasso's work is incredible. How long did his Blue Period last?
It lasted from 1901 to 1904. It was a time when he painted in shades of blue and green, reflecting his emotional struggles.
Fascinating. And what about Warhol?
Andy Warhol was a leading figure in the pop art movement. His works explore the relationship between artistic expression, culture, and advertisement. His famous pieces include the Campbell's Soup Cans and Marilyn Monroe series.
I've always wanted to see those in person. This is such a treat.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. Feel free to ask any questions as we go along.
Will do. Thank you for the wonderful insights.
My pleasure. Let's move on to the next section.
That tour was fantastic. I learned so much.
Me too. I never knew the stories behind some of these famous works.
Definitely worth the visit. Should we check out the gift shop before we leave?
Yes, let's do that. I'd love to get a souvenir.
Hi, where's the gift shop located?
It's right down the hall next to the exit. You'll find a variety of art books, prints, and other souvenirs. Thanks. Let's go, friend.
This has been such a great day. I'm glad we came.
Me too. Let's pick out something to remember it by.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these everyday conversations and found them helpful in improving your English skills. Remember, the key to mastering a new language is practice, so don't be afraid to revisit these scenarios and try them out in your daily life. If you have any questions or need more practice, feel free to leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who's learning English. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep practicing and have fun with your English learning journey.